What is going on, guys? This is Simon. Now recently a lot of people around me, like my family members, some of my friends and colleagues, they all start running and training for marathon. Now running was never a popular sport in China when I was young, but today we can see a lot of people become obsessed with running. I guess when people have enough money, they start looking for ways to improve their lifestyle. They want to be more active and healthier. So running is a good option. Now, as you can see, when people around you are all doing it, you start to do it as well. So yes, I start running as well. Enough backstory. Let's jump into the main topics, shall we? A couple of days ago, I was wondering if there is a way to record your run and share with others. So I did some research online, and here is my setup. A GoPro Hero 7, a head mount for the GoPro, and a visor. Those are the three things I will need to record my run. I saw people on YouTube use only the head strap and the GoPro. It works as well, but there's one drawback. It doesn't look good at all. I think it looks ugly. You can see the head strap around you and your hair get messed up. So what I'm gonna do is to add a visor. So you put the visor first, then put the head mount. Okay. I won't say it looks pretty damn awesome, but you can see the visor actually helps to kind of hide the straps on the side. So it makes you look less stupid, you know. Okay, enough talking. Let's head to the road and see if it actually records good footage. Here I am at the center of Shanghai. On the other side of the river, you can see dozens of skyscrapers. It is called Lujiazui, which is the financial center of China. My setup fits pretty well on me. It does actually add some weight on my head, but it doesn't shake or wobble when I'm running, so I don't feel uncomfortable wearing it. Here's the footage from the GoPro. I heard people say that the GoPro Hero 7 has implemented some crazy electronic stabilization technology. From the footage, you can see it works very well. I guess you can achieve the same quality if you use older GoPro like Hero 6 or Hero 5. Oh, by the way, due to the processing power of my old MacBook, all the footage is recorded under 2.7K 60 frames per second. I'm sure it will look even better if I record it in 4K. If you are using a smartphone or smartwatch to track your run, you can extract all the data and import it into Garmin video editor called Garmin Virb Edit. It is able to add all those information into your video based on the data collected by your phone or wearable devices. You can see I have added my current speed, distance, and my position, etc. If you got a smartwatch, you can get more detailed data such as your current heart rate. It is free to download and very easy to use. I will put the application link under the description down below. The GoPro Hero 7 can last about 1 hour and 20 minutes for one charge. If you would like to use it for your marathon run, I guess you won't be able to record your complete race, or you can add a battery bank and strap it on your arm, but it will add a lot of weight on you and eventually influence your running performance, so I don't recommend that. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace.